Hello everyone and welcome back to Tech Idea. Here we make tutorials on topics that might be helpful to you in one way or the other. And today I'm going to be showing you guys on how you can set up your microphone to be more sensitive or less sensitive to the voice, as well as on how you can basically enable your mic or disable it depending if you have multiple mics or not. So firstly, I just want to right click on this sound icon. Over there, I just want to go to sound settings. Once I'm inside sound settings, as you can see my microphone, I only have one microphone. I can obviously add another one, but I don't have to. From here, I just want to do more sound settings, and it's going to open this up. From here, as you can see, I've got a few default mics, for example, my Corsair, my HyperX mic. I've turned these off. So if I double click on it, I can set the listening level. Now the listening level, if I you guys can barely hear me now, and if I turn it back on, you guys can hear me again. So yeah, and we've got advanced as well. From here you can change the quality of the mic. I would say put it on the max quality, because the lower you go, the more horrible it sounds. And yeah, that's about it. You can also listen to the device if you want. I would personally recommend not to, because it does make me at least a bit distorted. I don't understand what I'm saying most of the times. So yeah, so I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please drop a like, and if you want to see more videos like this in the future, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and that notification bell. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.